Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the fourth installment of the mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. In case we haven't met before, my name is Susanne Netz and I blog at sunstampin.com. I'm a Western Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I conduct most of my Stampin' Up! Business online, except for these Lake House events that I facilitate 3 times a year with my friend Terry Hamilton. The card designs in this mini-series are of the 12 make and takes that our attendees participated in. I hope you have fun watching the how-to videos and get inspired to create your own works of art. Of course, all the products used in the demonstrations today are linked below in the description box for easy access to the online store. Hi friends, welcome to the second last card design for Crafting at the Lake House. There's a lot of products on my desk, so I'm going to go into detail with those in just a second. But before I get into this card's design, I want to entice you with my newest online class called Quiet Meadow. I'm offering a 20% special offer for this class. So it's $64.80 plus shipping and your provincial tax. You get a consumable class packet with supplies enough to make 6 cards with envelopes. You get a free card kit. You get a free gift with the card kit. You get an exclusive PDF of the month, and you get this stamp set and die for 20% off. Plus, if you order in July or August, you'll get a celebration reward. So this special offer is just with me alone. I was a little late to the party for this online class, and last year in the annual catalog, they had it on for 10% off the bundle. But then, of course, they break the bundle apart when the new annual catalog comes. And so I'm offering a little special offer. So I'm putting the link in the description box, and if you're interested and if you're Canadian, I'd love to earn your business and give you an amazing online class. And let me tell you, this card design is my favorite of the whole entire Lake House event. All right, so I inked up with Rich Razzleberry and with the Thinking of You in the, bottom third. So you can see now I am ripping my page. So this is called the ripped paper technique. So I'm trying to make a straight line, but I'm pulling towards me with that left hand. Now I changed hands and I'm using my left hand and pulling towards me. So both rips have to be towards you so that you get that frayed paper on each side of the rip. Now I'm taking my bone folder and coaxing this paper into a curve. Now I'm taking my Stampin' Up! Pencil. You can use whatever pencil you have, but I would give you bonus points if it was a Stampin' Up! Pencil. And we are rolling that and trying to coax those paper fibers. So this is just basic white paper. It's not even the thick stuff. All right, so now I have sort of created the paper to roll out on itself, and I'm going to roll it up a couple of times, and you're going to see that I sort of unroll it and then roll it up even thinner, and that's what I'm doing here. I know you can't see because the paper is covering me, but I'm just trying to roll it up just a tiny bit tighter. And you're just trying to coax those papers into into a curve. Basically, the tighter you can roll it, the better, and then it'll pop itself out. So now I'm going to glue that down. So this is just Tombow mono adhesive. We call it sometimes the green glue because it has a green cap. This will be permanent if I set it to dry. And here's a little clip that I have. I just clipped it, but you don't have to clip it. You could hold it. I want to do some other things like stamp. So this is a very vanilla thick cardstock, and that is soft suede. And I am stamping and stamping off and then stamping on my project. So to have a lighter ink. Now I know, so the ripped paper is going on top of that. So I only need about 1.5 inches. You could have fun and stamp the whole thing if you wanted. So that is Rich Razzleberry coming in with the splotches. I love this look about trying to make paper look old. I love it, and it's sort of in my mixed media background. I had a lot of mixed media work behind me, so this is very easy for me, but sometimes it's not easy for others. So I wanted to sort of go over in detail. Basically, it's very light. I blended on, what did I blend on? Crushed curry and mint macaron. So, and it was very light, like just a tiniest amount. So that's the thing, I think we can always do too much, and this is less is more. But okay, so now I'm putting adhesive on, but I forgot the, well, I didn't forget actually, but so I'm prepping this page. I didn't have to do it just yet. I'm just going to put this off to the side. And it is important to get adhesive close to the very edges of that page. So I'm just put that off to the side because I had to die cut this bachelor's button. This is probably my favorite flower in the dies, the meadow dies, and I love them. I don't know why I have an affinity towards these bachelor buttons. I don't know why. I like them. I like them a lot. All right, so now this is the, what color? I think it's mint macaron. And it's very, well, yeah, that's what it says. So it's very thickly applied. It could be garden green too, you guys. I'm sorry. It was a while ago. This is polished pink. And I'm just doing the bulb part of the bachelor button. And then this is Rich Razzleberry, which I'm adding on the ends. So you can see that I have a non-porous surface here. I am using my fingers, so it's probably, I think I made comment to myself in this video that I'm like, I'm gonna go wash hands. So, and then I was able to edit that out. So that's one thing when you're sponging and using daubers and touching things, and non-porous surfaces do not suck up the color. So make sure to wash your hands in between. So you can see how I've attached that flower. I didn't cut the whole length of the thing, and I've just attached it sort of tucked inside the rip because there was adhesive there. And then that is the card. We are going to fold, and if there's any left over, we can trim it out. But again, this is the ripped paper technique. And this is funny because I don't know if you've ever watched some of my videos here, but you know I'm a sucker for Wink of Stella, and sometimes I reuse Wink of Stella, and I think this was a new one because, man alive, there was a lot of sparkle come out and a lot of juice. So I went in with a really fine tipped paint brush. I think I got this from a Paint of Numbers when we were in lockdown. Look at how fine that is. And I'm just spreading some of the sparkle and some of the juice. So that top portion of the bachelor button was not adhered down to the card. So I need a very gentle touch. I do not want that Rich Razzleberry to get on that beautiful white page. It's supposed to be bursting through as if there was a story about that bachelor button. That is my share for you guys today. This is by far my favorite card out of the Lake House event. My next Lake House event will be at the end of September, so videos will be coming out for that in October. We're back to almost regular scheduled broadcasting for next month, for the next week. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I want to encourage you to at least check out my online class. It's probably like, it's been a long time since I've done an online class. I would love the attendance. I work really hard on the classes, and I try to give you, you know, 3 separate, very different card designs that you haven't seen anywhere else. And I would love to see you in class. It's fun working with different people. Anyway, I do appreciate you watching. Thank you so much, and bye for now.